Today I'm going to show you a workaround to track time in motion. Natively, you cannot actually time track within motion, okay? And there's been a bit of talk about using the AI assistant to actually track your time and assign time durations on specific tasks. But there is another way that's a lot easier. What you're going to do is you're going to go down over here under workspaces, go to one of your projects, okay? So I've got project 1 over here. We are going to have a look at the project in a task list. This is a view that you would like to add in here. If it's not already added, you can use the plus icon over there. Now, if you hold in shift, you can move this up and down and you'll see here is duration. Okay, now this is not really time tracking. It's just an estimation on how much time would be spent on a specific task in a project. And quite frankly, I don't believe that that's very accurate. So let's say perhaps we would like to track time on a task or even an entire project. We're going to go up over here into our extensions in Chrome, go down to manage extensions. On the left, you'll see Chrome Web Store. You can also do this by hitting the 3 dots and coming down here and looking for extensions. Okay, so basically we're looking for extensions, and here we are going to dial in Toggl. Once you dial in Toggl, this will allow you, after you've clicked on it and you add it to Chrome, as an extension, you will be able to actually add it to Chrome, add the extension, and here you'll be able to time track basically any activity, as long as you can label it correctly. So this is how it works. You can add yourself as an organization in Toggl, and you can manage multiple members on the free plan. So let's just go up over here, let's pin it, and let's click on the little icon, and here you're going to log in. Now, once you've logged in, you can literally go over here and let us close this. It'll now be automatically logged in every time you open up your browser. And let's say we would like to take this, project 1, and we would like to track our time on project 1. So you're going to go ahead, highlight the project name, Control C to copy, or if you have a specific task like the motion basics, let's go ahead, you can copy that. Doesn't matter what it is that you're copying. Go ahead, click on the Toggl icon, and here you'll see all of your time entries. You can also add time in previous if you have the correct permissions. If you're the owner of the organization, click on clock in, and here it'll give you your current time, your date, and then you can select activity. Now, currently there are no activities to select, but you can then add a note, go ahead and add in the project 1 or the project name, go ahead and click save. Now you can see you are currently tracking time. If you hit these 3 lines over here, you can go into dashboard. This will show you your Toggl dashboard. Here you can manage all of your time tracking in Toggl. So you can go to timesheets, you can see, let's explore ourselves. You can see your timesheet. So there's the username and there are the hours. Okay, you can also go ahead, duplicate your timesheet. You can go in to people, you can add members on your onto this account. So you can have a few different members, and these members will be able to track time just the same way that you're able to do so.